Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. I hope you enjoyed my last session. There we discussed how to download latest version of Android Studio. And in this video, we will discuss how to create your first project in Android. Before then this, we need to install Android Studio in our system. So there are two ways to doing this. First, you downloaded the file, you can go to the file and you can open. So it will be ask you to install the Android Studio and you have to click on the install window. Otherwise, you can go to the C folder. Here is the program files, Android and Android Studio, and here is the bin folder. So what you need to do, go to the bin and here is studio.exe. You just need to click on this and it will install the Android application. So in my system it's already installed. So after then this window will be open, this one. So what you need to do, you can see here my version is 3.6.3, is little bit older, and there are so many options. First is start a new Android Studio project, then we have open an existing Android Studio project. If we have already existing Android Studio project, then I can open by using this. And then we have check out project from version control. This is related to Git. So if we have project on Git, we can use by Git project by using this option. Then we have profile or debug APK. If we have any APK and if we want to do reverse engineering and if we want to extract source code from APK, then we can use this option. Then we have import project, Gradle, Eclipse, edit, etc. Already it's clearly mentioned if we have Eclipse type of project and Gradle type of so what we can do, we can just import project by using this option. And then we have import an Android code sample. This is just a sample we can import by using this. So we'll click on this, start a new project. Here you can see we have phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, automotive, Android things. These all are the platform. By using this Android Studio, we can create an application for all of the other platform also. And here you can see we have empty activity, bottom navigation activity, we have Google Map somewhere. Yes, this is the Google Map activity. We have login view activity. Suppose we want our first activity like a login view, so we can use this one. We have a scrolling activity. As per the name, it will scroll the view. And we have fragment plus view model. This is related to MVVM pattern. That I will explain in my upcoming video what is the MVVM pattern and what is view model and what is fragment. So what we need to do, we just click on the empty activity because we want to learn from the basic. We don't need anything, any type of code. So I'll click on the empty activity. I will click on next. Here is the application name. So I will write the application name like sample activity, sample project. Here is the package name and this is a location where I am going to save, but I don't want to save here. So what should I do? In the D drive I can save this project. Yes, and there are the language which is in Java or Kotlin. So this is my first video where I am going to start with the programming. So I will prefer Java because you all have the basic knowledge of Java. Then after 3-4 video I will start with the Kotlin. So I selected Java and this is a minimum SDK version. Minimum is 14 and see 14 to 30. Whatever you want you can choose. If you choose 30, see what will happen. Your app will run on less than 1% of device because very less people are using Android version 30. If you select 14, see here, your app will run on approximately 100% of device. So this is the basic benefit of every time minimum SDK should be less and maximum you can keep it 30. Then what we need to do, we need to click on finish. And you can see here Android Studio will create a project for ourselves, and here the project structure will be created. That I will explain you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned, many more to come. Thank you so much.